Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix failed to load X game runtime DLL error code number 126 in Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. First, go to your Start button on Windows, click or search on PowerShell, Windows PowerShell. This. Choose that and it will show the terminal. It's going to be colored blue. You need to copy paste this codes over there and then click enter and just go through them one by one. All of these four, or optional would be these two if it still doesn't fix. Now, after we have run PowerShell with these codes, next would be Microsoft Store will automatically pop up and show application called Gaming Services. This one. Just go on, click on get or install on my devices. Let it run for a few minutes and then you're done. You're good to go. I hope you found this video very helpful.